Hi everybody, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today we will be learning how to clear cache for your Golf Clash application, whether you are using Android or iOS. So let's get started. To clear cache on Golf Clash application, open the Golf Clash app first and log in. Once you're in the home page, tap the gear button at the top left corner. This will bring up the settings menu. Click on Game at the top, and then you will see two different options at the bottom of the screen that says Clear Local Files or Clear Local Data. Tap on Clear Local Data and click on Clear once the countdown stops. This will force the application to restart. After you do that, you can also tap on Clear Local Files on the left and click on Clear once again. This will remove any temporary files without deleting your game data, and that's how you will be able to clear cache on the game. So that's it for today's video. If you found it to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.